nail queens, welcome back to my channel. I am Carol Annette, and today I'm going to be doing some like galaxy planet-like nail art. So to get into this mani, I'm going to apply my peel base and let that dry, and I'm going to go through a couple of the things that I'm going to be using here today. So Mani Boss, an amazing company by the way. I'm going to be wearing this dip powder. It's called You're My Boy Blue. It is so mesmerizing and beautiful, so that's going to be the base for this mani. I also just got in this precision tool from Vividip. I don't know if you guys have seen it before on her website. I think it retails for around $10. You've definitely seen me use water marble tools to clean up my cuticles, so hey! And the other end is a wax applicator, so it helps you put your gems on your nails. So I'm going to go in with my Mani Boss dip liquids. I think they're amazing, absolutely love them. So I'm going to be using those in this manicure today. If you have any questions or you're interested in Mani Boss dip liquids, I did do a liquids review on them, so be sure to check out that video if you're interested. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip all 5 fingers on this hand twice in You're My Boy Blue, and yeah. But I want to give you guys a little bit of backstory because I am pretty much not going to talk through my dipping process. I have a million videos on my dipping process, but I want to talk to you guys about this challenge. So there's this challenge called Glam Nails Challenge over on Instagram, and I figured it out like last year, early spring last year. It seems like a lot of the nail polish lovers love doing those challenges, especially the ones who love to stamp, and I totally understand why. I love taking part in those challenges. So of course, when I saw what the May Glam Nails Challenge was, I immediately told my friend Maria, I was like, you're going to love this challenge. She loves stars, she loves space, and anything like galaxy themed, and it was just like calling to me and her when we saw this challenge. So let me show you what the schedule for May is because I love it. So we already participated in the May 5th one, which is galaxy themed. We're doing the May 19th one, which is planets today, and then we plan on doing another one towards the end of the month. But if you've never tried one of these challenges, definitely follow Glam Nails Challenge over on Instagram and check out the hashtags, because if you are ever stuck and you just don't know what to do on your nails, these challenges, like they literally do like 3 different themes a week, so the whole month is kind of themed around the same theme. So this month obviously is like galaxy, space, constellations, you get it. So it really helps you, like especially if you're stuck and you just don't know what to do, going to that challenge and seeing what they're doing that week definitely is a cool thing to do, and it helps you get on trend with what other people are doing, and you can definitely click on the hashtag to get inspiration for those types of manis too. Actually, while I have you here, let me show you the June one. It was just released yesterday. So the June one, you can tell it's very like tropical, beachy, and I just really love it. So if you guys are interested and anyone wants to mani twin with me for June, definitely hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my handle here. Just hit me up on Instagram, tell me about your ideas, and maybe we can pick a day in June that we can mani twin together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go for my second round of dipping, shut up, and I'll see you guys when I'm ready to start stamping.
So sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'm a paint purple, cause...
Okay, so I'm back, I activated, I shaped, I buffed, I did the whole 9 yards, and I'm ready to start doing the nail art. So it's all about stamping today, some layering. The polishes I'm going to be using today are from Claire Jelly Stamper. They're a Canadian stamping company, so if you're Canadian, holler at them. They have amazing products. I'm using the Maniology Sticky Base Coat because it's just amazing. If you like, stamping over dip powder sometimes can be hit or miss whether or not your stamps will stick to the dip powder, but if you use the sticky base coat before stamping on your dip powder, you're not going to have any issues. And I showed you guys this plate in the intro. It is from Kelli Marissa and it's a collaboration with MoYou London, the two of them. I'm going to be doing some planets because obviously the Glam Nails Challenge theme is planet theme, so let's do some planets. So I'm going to be actually stamping in white under most of my stamps, and the reason being for this, and you don't have to do it, is because I actually want to stamp a color over top of the white. So I want that color to pop, especially since one of these colors is going to be blue, this one right here. It's going to be blue, so I want it to pop over the white.
Overrated, we all outdated, we also.
Pay very close attention to what I do right here. I literally dropped my jelly stamper on top of my plate and there went my stamp. And I totally just dropped my jelly stamper right on top of the plate after I like picked up the polish. Start that over. Rude. It's just funny to me. I do so much layering and stamping. There's literally so much polish, picking up, stamping, scraping going on in this mani. Like, I fuck up. Sometimes I just fuck it up. So I just put the light blue on top of the white and it does help it come through. And then I'm going in with a darker blue that practically matches the color of this dip powder. I'm actually really impressed with the match of it. So it's going to have like a bluish kind of planet. So the theme that I'm going for on this is I don't fucking know. I'm just winging it. I'm just picking up a bunch of polishes and a bunch of planets, a bunch of stars, and putting it on my nails. So I'm going to just take you guys through that. And if you have any questions about something that I specifically do, definitely leave a comment below and let me know.
We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Counting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been steady sitting on my anus. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. Fuck it, I'm my favorite. You could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego. Scared it's taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road runs. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, live good. I could feel good, live good, die good. Lingering inside my headspace, turning minutes into hours into days. I'm thinking about the situations. Wonder if it's ever gonna change.
I do want to chime in and let you know like my mindset right here. So that image that I picked up had a bunch of like stars around it. I wanted those to be white, but I wanted the planet to be pink, like this hot pink. So I stamped the whole image in white and then did it again, but erased the stars around it with my scraper card and then did the pink on top. So you can definitely do that if you're ever stamping and you want like specific pieces of the image to be a different color. You can stamp it in that color, like pick it up, remove the other pieces, and then stamp the color you want for that specific like design. So just because the designs are all right next to each other doesn't mean you have to do it all in the same color.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy,
I'm almost done with this mani. I'm just filling in the void with like little tiny white dots to be like the stars. I didn't do my thumb on camera. I was going to leave it blank, but I actually was on the phone with my friend Maria while I was doing this mani, talking to her, sharing her mani photos of how this was going, and she suggested that I do stamp my thumb. So I'm going to show you guys here my top coating process because it's not as simple as going in with a dip top coat. I can smudge it all. So I'm using a smudge-free top coat, and when that dries, I take this little dropper bottle and I drop my activator on top of the smudge-free top coat. You absolutely want to use a smudge-free top coat on top of your stamps or gel, but I prefer to use dip powder and dip liquids, so I'm using my dip top coat, and I'm actually about to apply my dip top coat to all my nails, so you can see that if you do it this way, it's not going to harm your stamps. And if you want like a detailed video on that, I totally have a tutorial explaining how I do this like top coating method if you are a dip powder liquid kind of person. If you're not and you're just into polish or gel top coat, you don't have to pay attention to this. And actually you can kind of see my thumb here, so thank you Maria for suggesting that I actually stamp it. I did one of the full coverage designs on that stamping plate that I used, and I really like it. It's just so different. It's completely white, and then you can actually see here how, there you go. I love this stamp so much. I don't know why, I just like it. So here is my manicure all oiled up. You can't see it that well here, but there is a little bit of staining and residue in the cuticle area. I do have deep set nails, so the staining kind of just sticks in there. I am going to do a video showing you how I get rid of the staining. That'll be coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!